بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
الحمد لله رب العالمين والصلاة والسلام على أشرف الأنبياء والمرسلين نبينا محمد وعلى آله وأصحابه أجمعين أما بعد فأعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم رب اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي أمري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقه قولي سبحانك لا علم لنا إلا ما علمتنا إنك أنت العليم الحكيم. So this topic we covered partially. So we learned about definite and indefinite nouns, but last time I only talk about al, right? Like if there is a common noun, if you put al at the beginning, it becomes definite noun. But there are some other categories of definite noun as well. So there are total 7 different categories, and ism can be proper or definite. So we'll learn those 7 categories today. So this one was we already covered, like that's what we learned already. Words with al. Any word that has al is a definite noun. We already learned that, right? And al means the. Al is called, basically this al has an Arabic name, is called lam ta'rif, right? A lam of definition, you can say. So in Arabic. But if you see a word with al, it is always definite because al means the. That's what we learned, right? And when we have al, then there will be no tanween, right? So tanween and al never come together. They are like in an ism, you will only going to see either of them. So that's what we learned already. So a word with al always be definite. Now second type is specific name. So any specific name, whether it's a masculine name, it's a feminine name, whether it's an Arabic name, non-Arab name, right? Any specific name, those is, and also whether it's a people or a place, any specific name of a people or place, those are all definite. So like Hamza, Makkah, right? Or Zainab, Aisha, all these, whether it's a masculine, feminine, or a place name, all specific name of a people or a person or a place are always marfa. That's why you even don't see any al, but because they are a specific name, right? So those are also definite nouns or marfa. And those specific name in Arabic, we say them like ismu alam. Yes, they have a specific name, ismu alam. So lamu tarif is al, like any ism with al is definite. Any specific name of a person or a place is definite. Pronouns, all pronouns that we saw earlier, all pronouns, they are definite. So they are mabni as well, right? Now they are different properties, right? So they are also mabni. Mabni means like non-declinable. That's we learned few minutes ago, right? So they are non-declinable, like in all statuses, they are same, but they are also, now another property of pronouns are they are also definite. Okay, they are specific because what are these, right? You are replacing any specific name with them, right? Like let's say if, in a sentence, if you have a name, so with pronouns, what do you do with pronouns? You basically replace a name with a pronoun. So that's why they are also definite, right? So all pronouns are marfa or definite, like all these. Huwa, huma, hum, hiya, huma, hunna, anta, antuma, antum, anti, antum, antunna, ana, nahnu. All pronouns are definite. All pointers are a small ishara because you are pointing, right? You are pointing to something or someone. So when you point someone or when you point something, it becomes specific as well, right? So all pointers are a small ishara. The word that used to point like this, that, those, these, they are also definite or marfa. Now in this chart, you can see the dual form as well, right? So this is singular, this is dual, and this is plural. So hada, hadani, haulai. Hada means this, and this is masculine. This is feminine. This is masculine. This is feminine. Haza, this masculine. Hadani, these two. Haulai, these for masculine. Hadihi, singular feminine. Hatani, dual feminine. Haulai, plural feminine. So for plural is same, right? Both masculine and feminine, same form. But basically, singular form and dual form is changed when you're pointing something. Dhalika and tilka, these are both are for that. Dhalika, that masculine, tilka, that for masculine, feminine. Dhanika, those two masculine. Tanika, those two feminine. And ulaika is same for both masculine or feminine. Those, right? So those can be masculine or can be feminine. So that's the complete chart. So all these are pointer, right? Because you're pointing something or someone. So that is basically is also a definite. These are all definite noun as well. And previously we learned these are also non-declinable as well because they don't decline. They always going to be like haza will always be haza, haulai always be haulai, hazani will always be hazani in all statuses. Okay. Now relative pronoun we also covered in that non-declinable topic. So relative pronoun or asmaul mawsula. This is the list. Now it also has dual form in this chart. So this is singular, this is dual, and this is plural. So allazi is basically this is for masculine, like the one who. And same thing here. This is for feminine. Mom, like basically that which. And man is mainly used for like whoever. Okay, so alladhi, the one who, masculine, alladani, those who or those two, masculine, alladhina, those are plural. Allati, the one who, but for feminine, allatani, those two, feminine, allati, alwati, or allai. So like in Quran, it's sometimes like it's not used much. In like some verses you will find them, but sometimes it is used allai, like for those feminine. Sometimes it was used alwati, and sometimes it is used allati. So that's why it has all three different forms. But wherever it is used, all the meaning is same, like those are, or those are feminines. Now the next, the one being called, munada. So like when you call someone, right? So basically it's also become definite, right? So and in Arabic, how do you call someone? With ya, like ya Shuaibu, ya Salihu, right? Ya Fatimatu. So you use ya when you call someone, when you calling someone. The harf ya is used when you call someone. So the word following ya is will become marfa. Maybe you may say like ya waladu, right? So like walad now waladun itself is a nakira, right? It does not have any al. Like waladun, and any boy is a boy, right? Or can be a boy. But when you say ya waladun, oh boy, so then that waladun becomes a marfa. All right. So when you call someone, even that word after ya is a nakira, but it will become marfa because we are calling him. So when you call someone with ya, right? So this is because when calling someone, you are addressing a specific person. All right. So any ism after ya, when you call someone, that will also be definite. Okay. This one I'm not going to cover because it will confuse you right now. We did not learn mudaf ilayhi. So when we learn mudaf ilayhi, it's a compound basically. Then I'll cover this topic over there. But that's the seventh category, like a mudaf, because we don't know mudaf, what is mudaf, but when mudaf ilayhi is proper, then mudaf is also proper. Now kitab basically book. Now any book can be a book, right? It's nakira, like it's common. But in this scenario, because of Zaid, this guy or this name is proper, so this will also become proper. So I'll explain in detail in future when we cover mudaf ilayhi. But yeah, that's the seventh category where an ism can be definite noun. Let's do a quick exercise based on this new topic that we learned. Okay, that's not the flexibility, that's the definiteness. Okay, exercise. Are the following proper or common? So we need to find out like whether they are definite or whether they are indefinite. And if they are definite or indefinite, what is the reason why they are definite or indefinite? Okay. So as-sa'ili. Now, when you try to find it, so remember those seven categories, right? The one that we just learned. So as-sa'ili is a proper or common or definite, indefinite?
Proper.
It's proper. Now, why?
Al.
Al, because of al, right? The reason is al, that the first category that we learned. Sabilan,
Common.
common, right? Waja, reason?
Um,
It has tanween, I would say, right?
then mean, yeah.
Because it has tanween at the last letter, like here. Hada.
Proper.
Hada is
Pronoun.
proper. Yeah, because it is not pronoun, it's a pointer or a
So
demonstrative
sorry,
pronoun.
yeah.
Yeah.
I meant to say, yeah, pointed, yeah.
Yeah. So you can say pointer or demonstrative. The full name is a demonstrative pronoun, but basically a pointer, hada, or a small ishara. Muhammadun
Proper.
is proper. Reason?
It's a proper name.
Proper
proper.
name. बिल्कुल. Specific name of a person, right? Or ismu alam, that the Arabic name. Specific name of a person. All right. Huwa.
Proper.
That's also proper. And reason? It is?
Pointer.
No, this one is pronoun.
Oh,
Yeah, yeah, it's okay. Just I added them in vocabulary as well, like so that you can just keep reviewing them and memorize them. But yeah, huwa is he. Huwa means he. This is a pronoun, and haza is like this. This is like pointer or demonstrative pronoun. Hudan, so it has tanween here.
Common.
Yeah, hudan, right? Guidance. Guidance can be any guidance, right? So it's a common noun because it has tanween. اللهم صل على سيدنا محمد النبي الأمي وآله وصحبه وبارك وسلم. ربنا آتنا في الدنيا حسنة وفي الآخرة حسنة وقنا عذاب النار. ربنا لا تزغ قلوبنا بعد إذ هديتنا وهب لنا من لدنك رحمة إنك أنت الوهاب. ربنا إنك
آمين.
جئت الناس اليوم لا ريب فيه إن الله لا يخلف الميعاد. سبحان ربك رب العزة عما يصفون وسلام على المرسلين والحمد لله رب العالمين.